two different approaches to reversing a string and measuring the time taken by each method. This method uses a string builder and a for loop to reverse the characters in the string manually. After the method execution, we measure the elapsed time and print it in nanoseconds. We then proceed to the second method, reverse_op2, which also uses a string builder but leverages the built-in reverse method to achieve the same result. Once again, we measure the time taken for this method and output the results. Both methods handle null input by throwing an illegal argument exception, ensuring that invalid input doesn't cause unexpected behavior. Next, we capture the current time using local datetime.now, before calling our first string reversal method, reverse_opt1. In the end, the program outputs both the reversed string and the time taken for each method, allowing us to compare their performance. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. Be sure to experiment with different strings and observe how the performance varies.